Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed buying decisions.
Today, we've got something exciting on the bench: the Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro 3D printer. Now, before we get started, let's talk about what sets the Neptune 4 Pro apart from the competition.
This printer isn't just another run-of-the-mill clone. It's packed with features that punch well above its price point.
Straight out of the box, you'll notice the attention to detail in the packaging.
Elegoo has made sure you have everything you need to start printing right away, from tools to filament. And assembly?
A breeze. Even if you're new to 3D printing, you'll have this up and running in no time. Now, let's talk design.
The Neptune 4 Pro sports a sleek and modern look, with a standout feature being its massive part cooling fan mounted on the X-axis.
This isn't just for show,
it's designed to enable high-speed printing without compromising on quality.
When it comes to usability, Elegoo has nailed it.
The 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, giving you full control over your prints with just a few taps. Calibration can be a pain point for some, but with the Neptune 4 Pro, it's a breeze. While it does require some manual input for leveling the build platform, the process is straightforward and well explained.
But let's get to the real meat of the matter, the prints.
And let me tell you, the Neptune 4 Pro doesn't disappoint. Whether you're printing small trinkets or larger models, the quality is top-notch. And thanks to its impressive print speeds, you'll have your creations in hand in no time. Of course, none of this would be possible without good slicing software, and Elegoo delivers with its customized version of Cura. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you'll find everything you need to fine-tune your prints to perfection. So, what's the bottom line?
The Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro is a powerhouse of a 3D printer, offering blazing fast speeds and exceptional quality prints, all at a price that won't break the bank. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly printer that doesn't skimp on features, look no further.
That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below letting us know what you think.
Until next time, happy printing!